The IEM-T series is the all-in-one engine computing data center specially designed for the space-tight installation scenarios. The all-in-one structure makes the complete data center prefabricated into the 2-meter-high enclosure. The installation only needs power cable connection. The precision cooling on the top of 33U rack is equipped with internal integrated condenser, free of outdoor units, free of pipe connection. This makes it perfect for the deployment in the office of the high buildings. The access control with IP55 protection degree. The SMP-based DCIM system interacts with all-in-rack facilities for remote and local access. 3-in-1 reader supports biometric, ID card, and password to open the door. The in-rack available space for IT devices is 26U with our standard 6 kV, 6 kW lithium battery UPS and the smart power distribution module. The cumbersome frame employs the 21-time dentin metal sheet with maximum 2,000 kg loading capacity. The backup DC power supply is specially for all DC-powered devices like sensors, monitoring system in case of any emergency. Smart power distribution module and the lithium battery UPS offers no backup time with minimum space occupation. The rear door release is controlled by the DCIM wild HMI for security. All the door status are detected by the door switch sensors both in front and the rear sides. A couple of the intelligent PDUs corresponds to the dual bus redundant configuration in the power distribution module for power backup. The Wi-Fi module makes available for wireless connection between the DCIM system and mobile devices for easy management. Well-organized cable converge into the IE Smart DCIM hub, compact size behind the power distribution module without any space taking. Here are all for today. Thanks for watching.